Is your Microsoft Store displaying a white or black screen? Then make sure to watch this video so you can easily get back Microsoft Store functionality by going through the steps. Now, Microsoft Store showing a black or white screen might be due to a temporary glitch. In this case, restarting the application should be enough to fix it. So you just have to right-click on your taskbar, open Task Manager, click Processes, right-click on Microsoft Store, select End Task, close any processes that might be running in the background, then open Microsoft Store again and check if it is now working. Now, there also might be nothing wrong with the Microsoft Store, but you're simply having an internet connectivity problem. So if you're dealing with an unstable Wi-Fi connection or downloading a large file, Microsoft Store will also display a black or white screen. Next, you can also try running the Microsoft Store app troubleshooter. To do so, open Settings, click on System, select Troubleshoot, click on the Troubleshooter, then click the Run option next to Windows Store apps. Now Windows will search for any issues and fix them automatically. Then once the process is completed, try to launch the Microsoft Store again. Lastly, try to delete the Microsoft Store cache. Simply open Run, type in the following, then press Enter to delete the cache. So that's what you should do when Microsoft Store is displaying a black or white screen on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.